VRS in Skoda Volkswagen Auto Group cars stands for Victory Rally Sport. It is a performance-oriented trim level that is available on certain Skoda models. The VRS designation signifies that the vehicle has been specially tuned for increased power and improved handling. These cars are designed to deliver a more dynamic driving experience with enhanced acceleration, sharper cornering, and overall improved performance. VRS models typically feature more powerful engines, sport-tuned suspension, and upgraded brakes. They may also have unique exterior styling elements, such as larger wheels, aerodynamic body kits, and VRS badging. Inside, VRS cars often come with sport seats, a sport steering wheel, and other performance-oriented features. Drivers who choose a Skoda VRS model can expect a more engaging and thrilling driving experience compared to the standard versions of the same car. Whether on the track or on the road, VRS cars are designed to deliver a higher level of performance and excitement. Overall, VRS in Skoda VAG cars represents a commitment to performance and driving enjoyment. It is a badge that signifies a car that has been optimized for those who appreciate the thrill of driving.